Is your equipment not working? Today we are going to show you 3 tips to solve all the electric problems. So I'm Maria from the quality department, and I'm going to show 3 tips when the crush is not working in the part of the electricity. First of all, with the emergency stop, we have to push them, and then we have to do this movement, and then the crush is working. So here we have to see that it's working and it's outside. Then for the breakers, we have to check that all the breakers are on here in the upper part, but we have to be careful because mostly the clients forgot that here we have another breaker that has to be on. So in the older crashes, the breakers, there are only 2 breakers, but in the new ones is only one breaker. But we have to check it because mostly is a huge percentage of that we forgot. Then here we have the cable. So here we have to see that it's working or not, because 90% of the cases of not working the crash is about the cable, the alimentation cable. So here we have to check that these 3 phases are connected correctly. Then we are going to do here with the multimeter to check if the electricity is on the crash or not. So here we are going to check the breaker 1x0, that are these 3 phases, L1, L2 and L3. So here with the multimeter we have to put the voltage like this, and we have to check the phases. So we are going to check L1, L2. So here it must be 400 volts. Like this, here we can see that it's 400 volts. Then we have to check L2, L3, and we can see that it's 400 volts also. And then L1, L3, and it's also 400 volts. So here we can check that the electricity is going through the 3 phases. So the problem is not from this table, but it's not for the cable alimentation.